remember in Luke chapter 1, you remember the story of two sons. Yeah, chapter 15, sorry, excuse me. Yes, we read in the parable of two sons. The parable of the lost son. Then he said, a certain man has two sons, and the younger of them said to his father, Father, give me the portion of goods that falls to me. So he divided to them his livelihood, and not many days after, the younger son gathered all together, journeyed to a far country, and there wasted his possession with prodigal living. But when he had spent all, there arose and saved famine in that land, and he began to be in want.